You're watching Kostas Toy Machine.
That was good.
That was close.
That was close.
We almost got eaten by giant llamas.
Yeah.
But we're safe now.
But no, they're right here.
That's right, because they're what we just printed on our awesome episode of
Kostas Toy Machine.
I'm
Papa G.
and you are
Kostas Shark.
That's right. And on this show, we print really awesome, cool toys and things we find online with our sweet 3D printer.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have a special episode today. We printed these awesome llamas from what game?
Fortnite.
And this one we printed with a really cool rainbow filament. This one you're going to color with all these markers. And tell people what's going to happen if they subscribe to our channel.
Four times the charm. Rewind.
Okay.
So
Okay.
Okay, we're back because we fast forward and we are going to
For anybody that has subscribed already,
or
any of the new subscribers between now
now
May 11th. May 11th.
Dun, 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 dun.
You're going to be entered in to be in a drawing where we're going to pick someone that's going to get either the one that Kostas colors or the rainbow filament. You get to decide. All you got to do is subscribe, like our page, and make a comment below on which one you think you want. Which one do you think?
Can you let me talk?
Okay.
Well, what one do you like to think? The one that I designed or the one with the rainbow filament?
Right. Oh, speaking of rainbow filament, let's talk about the new filaments we got.
Yeah.
We got some new filament. This one is...
The green filament.
Yeah, it's a PLA filament. PLA,
PLA.
right? See?
PLA. Oh, jinx! Our roof just fell.
Oh, it's really windy outside. It's a PLA filament.
No, for real. It did. It did.
What fell?
Like something.
Yeah, it was probably a trash can.
There's no trash cans on the roof. Like a brick, a black brick just fell off of our roof.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
All right. This is a PLA, and it's made by Hatchbox. Can you say Hatchbox? Hatchbox?
Hexbox.
Right. Okay. What color is this one? I can't remember.
This one is green.
Is it green or is it's black?
Black.
It's a black filament. Because the
filament.
other one we had is ABS, and I don't know how to print that yet.
ABS.
I gotta do some stuff to the printer in order to print that. So
Okay,
this
the
one's
next
cool.
filament.
Right, yeah, let's go to the next filament. And it's by Tains, I guess. Tains. Let's look
Or
at this one.
Titans.
Tains.
Titans.
It's a cool filament.
Mark.
What color is this one? What color is this one?
This one is rainbow.
No, this one is gray.
It's like a sparkle gray.
And I'm gonna use this one to finish printing
Whoopsies.
my trophy that I got for my fantasy football league. 'Cause I only
My
printed
radio
half
just fell.
Your microphone fell. It's okay. And then yes, we also got a really cool rainbow filament by Erwan.
No, everyone.
Well, there's no V.
Everyone.
Everyone. See? By everyone, and it's a rainbow PLA filament. Okay? And it's really cool because it changes colors as it prints. It changes colors as it prints, or it's all different colors.
To show you the orange.
Well, they've seen the orange. We've already talked about that one.
No, we didn't.
Yeah, in the other episodes we have.
We talked about like the light orange. This is dark orange.
Oh, I'm sorry. There's dark orange.
Yep, dark orange.
All right. So we printed this awesome llama And the rainbow, so it came out all like this, all on its own. It's actually really neat. What do you think?
Yeah, let's put this baby together.
All right, so we're gonna put all these together, but first let's show them how we printed them. So let's do the wave thing. It's a wave trend. 1, 2, 3.
What's up? So we're printing our first llama with our rainbow filament.
Rainbow filament.
Yes.
So it's got totally different colors from when it prints, right?
Yeah, like this. I'm gonna throw like a ball that makes blue, red, yellow, and green.
Oh, okay, sounds good. Now, let's print it. So you start it.
Okay. So first we go to print from SD. We're going to Llama Time.
Llama time! That was hot. That was really hot.
We were on fire.
We were on fire for that transition.
Yep.
Okay, so you saw that it printed in all these different ways. Like it had the head and part of the body, and the other part of the body, and it came with all these little things in here. And if you see, all this stuff was printed so we could put it together for all of you. And we got glue, like from the Lego movie, right?
Yeah, but
The
wait,
super glue?
hold on.
This is like the special.
Yep.
So we're going to put all these together.
Okay.
So, well, that one's too small. That one doesn't go in there. So we're going to put these together. We're going to glue them together, and then we're going to color the white one, okay? So let's start doing that construction time, all right? Hold on, let's work on this one. All right, so let me help you with this so that we don't... All right, so we're out of super fast mode for the moment. We're gonna show them what we've done so far. All right, so we put this together with those awesome things. Hold up. Let's wait, and then let me put this in here. We're about to put the head on, okay?
I'll put
Head on, apply directly to the head. All right, here, let me turn it so it's easier for you. Good job. All right, let's see. We got that one in there now. And now let's put some glue in the head. So let me put some right here. All right, that's plenty. Okay. Slow. Hey! Easy. All right, that's good. Wow! And then hold on, wait. We're gonna let that sit there for just a minute. Let me just make sure it's on there good.
Now look at your boy.
Let me just put some here. All right. Okay, so let's let this sit in the glue dry before we paint. So this is the first one done before we start painting it. I think it came out really good. What do you think?
Me too.
Yeah, it looks just like the llama, the piñata llama thing from Fortnite. All right, let's work on this one, okay? So let me put a little bit of glue all around here because I learned my lesson from the other one. Perfect. Then we grab the head.
I will do the help.
All right. Here we go. Hey! Slow, don't push too hard. Wow! And then there. Wait, that's good. That's good. Let's let go. Let go. Let me. Oh, this one's cool. I'm a llama.
I'm a white llama.
I'm a rainbow llama.
I'm going to eat your face.
Well, that's just mean. That's rude. We just met. Why are you gonna eat my face? I figured we go get some chocolate or something.
Oh,
Maybe go for a walk in the park. I
Or
don't know.
maybe
We go to a
can
zoo
eat
and
these humans.
yeah, let's go after the humans.
Oh!
All right, so these are the two llamas. Let me get a close up of these with the GoPro.
Dad.
Oh no, your microphone.
Again?
Yep, let me pull it up here. We're gonna figure something else out for this. Okay, so this is multicolor rainbow llama complete.
Yep.
This is white llama almost complete because we gotta color it. Here,
Hey,
sit down
how
the
do you
right way.
doing?
You can sit down normal. Just put this in your lap. There we go. Just don't push the buttons because then you could be off and it'd be like. And people are like, what's Kostas Shark saying? Or Coco's Shark, and you'll be like,
Detective. What did you say?
exactly. That's what I'm saying. Okay, so
Be back.
these are gonna dry for a little bit, right here. This one is gonna dry for a little bit right here. Let's show them the cool video of you picking out the colors of the markers. Okay. Okay.
What's up? So we're at a store. We have to be big. And we're already here.
Look at all these colors.
So look at all these colors.
Look at all these people that did markings.
Big markers. We can maybe use these.
Well, they gotta be small enough, so I don't think we're gonna do the big ones. So you gotta pick. You gotta come over here because it's gotta be these. These are fine tip. They're pointies. But you gotta get the ones that are like this. Okay, so you can pick the colors.
Blue. Okay, that's good. We can write on these.
Okay, all right. All right, what other colors do you want? Okay, gosh, that's enough. Let's get another color.
So that's good. We can get this. This is probably. No, that's good. Blue. Let's get this.
Okay.
Black.
Okay. Do you want any like?
Oh.
Well, these are kind of dark, sad colors. Let's get bright, happy colors. Okay. Don't you want a green? I thought green was your favorite color.
Green, light green. Let's get it.
About like that green.
No, it's the same kind of green.
Slightly different. Or this green. You want orange?
We can get orange. Oh, wow. Oh, that's chalk. We can't use chalk. Okay, let's use brown. Yeah, but not that.
That's like a gold.
Oh, yeah, we can use this gun.
Okay.
It's gold. Sparkle.
Yep. Okay, what about red? Do you want red?
Yeah, let's get red.
Okay.
Okay, so when we're finished, we're gonna do a cutout. So because we're not at the house, we're at the store. Let's take a look and see if we're at the house. Okay? See, we're not at the house. It's big, not our house. Our house is smaller than this store.
Okay, so we're gonna go back to the house with our new colors. Okay?
Okay, 1, 2, 3, cut.
All right. So we got all these awesome colors.
Oh, the pain! Oh my gosh!
Oh, you killed me.
Oh yeah!
You're gonna color them. You can color it however you want. So. It sounds like there's some sort of flying bug in the house. So you can color that, the gold color?
It's, look at it. It's moving on its
Yep.
own.
Mm-hmm. Let me get some close-ups of this.
See, guys, it's moving on its own.
Yep. We're going to speed this part up, too, because nobody's going to want to sit here for 12 hours while you color.
Like 100 million hours.
Yeah, I know. All right. So, you're going to color.
From the Manatee County Fair, Linda Carson, ABC 7. Would you not eat my pants? Ah!
We're back, and we made our llama. It is now fully colored. Okay.
And this is the last rule about when you get it. When you get it, you have to color the legs.
Yeah, we're going to let you color legs if you want to. You don't have to. They're up to you. They're white right now, but we've made all sorts of colors and stuff of the llama. This is Kostas custom colored llama.
And this is the rainbow filament llama.
Okay, so remember, if you want one of these, all you have to do is subscribe. Subscribe, and we will put you in for a drawing to win one of these two awesome llamas. All you got to do, subscribe and
Hit the notification bell.
Yeah.
And subscribe. And is it time to say goodbye?
Yeah, I mean, because we made the llamas, okay? We're going to try to figure out what we're going to make next. We've got a bunch of different ideas. You can comment below what you think we should make next. There's all sorts of stuff we can do, like maybe some emoji stuff, or maybe some Minecraft stuff, or maybe some Shazam stuff.
Maybe like a Shazam toy.
Yeah, maybe something like that. We'll figure it out. We'll make something. All you got to do is make a comment below if you think we should make something. We'll see about it. If we pick you, we'll make sure to give a shout out. Oh, we got to give a shout out to your cousins.
Yeah.
Do you remember their names?
Taylor.
Taylor?
Taylor?
No, it's not Taylor. Your cousin's name. Well, there's that, but okay.
We forgot to shout out to Gabriel, Damien, and Tyler.
Tyler, not Taylor. Tyler. Tyler, Damien, Gabriel, Tyler, Gabriel, Damien, Tyler, all of them.
Yeah.
So, hello, thanks for watching. Make sure you make a comment. Talk to them because they're watching the show.
Okay. And we'll see you guys next time.
So what do they need to do?
Comment down below. Hit the notification bell.
Ding,
and
ding, ding.
subscribe.
Subscribe.
Wait, hold on. And you can see one of these a different video on these sides
Yeah.
to see a different Kostas Toy Machine. Bye.
Bye.
Kostas Shark. 你上肉。